To solve a vertical multiplication problem like these on the Pythagoras, if the numbers that you're multiplying add up to less than 10, like 3 plus 4 is 7, so that's less than 10, which is, we have 10 golden beads on the bottom of our Pythagoras. So anytime we have numbers that are less than 10, we can always do it on our Pythagoras. So let's do 3 times 4. And so the gold beads we use for our factors. We got 1, 2, 3. And we push over 3. So we push over 3. And then we count 1, 2, 3, 4 for the bottom number and push over 4. And then we'll put a little bit of space here so we can see what's in the middle. And we see we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Or we can say 4, 8, 12. And that's our answer, 12. So we can see on the Pythagoras, by pushing the triangles apart, we find a rectangle which equals our answer. So if you have a multiplication or times problem where the two numbers that you're multiplying sum to something greater than 10, which of course, as we said, are more beads than you have on the bottom, then there's a little math trick you can use. So in this case, instead of using the 9, I say what goes with 9 to make 10, and I say 1 goes with 9 to make 10. So I push over to the left 1 bead. And then I say what goes with 3 to make 10, and I know that is 7. And so then I count 1, 2, 3 gold beads, and I push those over. And then, oops, actually I need to push over 7. And so now I have 1 times 7 times 1. Separate that so you can see. I have 7 times 1, and then I subtract. I cross subtract. 3 take away 1 is 2, and 9 take away 7 is 2. And that tells me how many 10s I have, which is the number I have over here, 2. So these are my 10s. So I count 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 3 times 9 equals 27. Let's do another times problem where the numbers we're multiplying add up to more than 10, like 7 and 8. And so again, we look at our numbers and we say, what goes with the bottom number to make 10? And we say 2. So we come down here and we push over 2 gold beads. And then we say, what goes with the top number 7 to make 10? And it's 3. So we go down here and we push over 3 gold beads. Separate those to see what the answer is in the middle. And we get 6. So there's our 3 times 2 equals 6. And then we can see that 7 take away 2 is 5. And 8 take away 3 is 5. So we have 5 10s. And here are the 5 10s over here. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 56 is our answer. And we can see how we can multiply numbers that add up to less than 10, and we can multiply numbers that add up to more than 10. In this case, 1 is greater than 5 and the other is less than 5. And in this case, both numbers are greater than 5. And this way we can make sure that we have the right answer to our multiplication problems.